Hey, how's it going? This is Ricardo, and in this video I'll show you how to remove the memory on a Dell Inspiron 7573. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. First, remove bottom base screws. Then use fingers to pry apart and remove bottom base. Now unscrew and disconnect battery. Then separate clips and remove. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.